10 beautiful caves in the world. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Earth's most mesmerizing wonders. From ancient underground cathedrals to glittering limestone formations, we're exploring the top 10 most beautiful caves in the world. So, grab your flashlight and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Number 10. Waitomo Glowworm Caves, New Zealand. Nestled in the lush landscapes of New Zealand, the Waitomo Glowworm Caves offer an ethereal experience like no other. These enchanting caves are illuminated by thousands of tiny glowworms, scientifically known as Arachnicampa luminosa, which create a starry night effect on the cave ceilings. Visitors are guided through the caves on a serene boat ride, drifting silently beneath the glowing spectacle. This natural light show, combined with the intricate limestone formations, makes Waitomo Glowworm Caves a must-visit destination for those seeking a unique and magical underground adventure. Number 9. Mendenhall Ice Caves, USA. Hidden beneath the Mendenhall Glacier near Juneau, Alaska, the Mendenhall Ice Caves offer an otherworldly glimpse into a frozen wonderland. These ice caves, accessible by a challenging hike and kayak trip, feature mesmerizing blue ice walls that seem to glow with an inner light. As you venture inside, you'll be surrounded by stunning ice formations, from frozen ceilings that sparkle like diamonds to intricate icicles hanging like delicate chandeliers. The dynamic and ever-changing nature of the glacier means that the ice caves are constantly evolving, making each visit unique. The Mendenhall Ice Caves provide a breathtaking and surreal experience, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the beauty of one of nature's most fleeting and magical phenomena. Number 8. Reed Flute Cave, China. Reed Flute Cave, located in Guilin, China, is often referred to as the Palace of Natural Arts due to its stunning limestone formations. This extraordinary cave, over 180 million years old, features a myriad of stalactites, stalagmites, and columns that have been artfully illuminated with multicolored lights, creating a surreal and magical atmosphere. Named after the reeds growing outside the cave, which are used to make flutes, this natural wonder stretches over 240 meters and offers visitors a visual feast of rock formations that resemble everything from mythological creatures to delicate coral reefs. A visit to Reed Flute Cave is like stepping into a natural kaleidoscope, making it an unforgettable highlight of any trip to China. Number 7. Fingal's Cave, Scotland. Situated on the uninhabited island of Staffa in Scotland, Fingal's Cave is renowned for its unique and striking hexagonal basalt columns, which were formed by ancient volcanic activity. This sea cave, with its cathedral-like ambience and natural acoustics, creates an otherworldly experience for visitors. The rhythmic sounds of the waves crashing against the cavern's walls enhance its mystical allure. Named after the hero of an epic poem by 18th-century poet James Macpherson, Fingal's Cave has inspired countless artists, musicians, and writers, including Felix Mendelssohn, who composed the Hebrides Overture after visiting. Accessible by boat, the cave offers a dramatic and awe-inspiring glimpse into Scotland's geological past, making it a must-see for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Number 6. Puerto Princesa Subterranean River, Philippines. The Puerto Princesa Subterranean River, located in the Philippines, is a natural marvel and UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers an unparalleled underground adventure. Winding through a spectacular cave system, this navigable river stretches for over 8 kilometers, making it one of the longest underground rivers in the world. Visitors embark on guided boat tours, gliding through vast chambers adorned with impressive stalactites and stalagmites. The cave's diverse ecosystem includes unique flora and fauna, contributing to its designation as a national park. The serene boat ride through the Porta Princesa subterranean river, surrounded by stunning limestone formations and the sounds of nature, provides an unforgettable glimpse into one of the Earth's hidden wonders. Number 5. Scotchen Caves. Slovenia. Located in southwestern Slovenia, the Scotchen Caves are a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for their vast underground chambers and intricate karst formations. These caves are part of a complex system that includes one of the largest known underground canyons in the world. Visitors are awed by the immense Martel Chamber, which is large enough to house a small village, and the roaring Rika River that flows through the cave system, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. The Scotchen Caves are not only a geological wonder but also a site of rich archaeological and cultural significance, with evidence of human habitation dating back to prehistoric times. Exploring this subterranean world reveals stunning stalactites, stalagmites, and natural bridges, making the Scotchen Caves a must-see destination for adventurers and nature enthusiasts. Number 4. Marble Caves. Chile. In the heart of Chilean Patagonia, the Marble Caves, Capilas de Marmol, offer a breathtaking display of nature's artistry. Located on the remote General Carrera Lake, these caves have been sculpted over millennia by the lake's azure waters, resulting in stunning formations of swirling blue and white marble. Accessible only by boat, visitors can explore the labyrinth of caves, tunnels, and caverns, each more mesmerizing than the last. The interplay of light and water creates an ever-changing spectacle of colors and reflections, particularly vivid during the early morning and late afternoon. This hidden gem, set against the backdrop of Patagonia's rugged beauty, provides a tranquil and unforgettable experience for those seeking to witness one of nature's most exquisite creations. Number 3. Carlsbad Caverns. USA. Located in the Chihuahuan Desert of southeastern New Mexico, Carlsbad Caverns National Park is home to a vast and mesmerizing network of over 118 limestone caves. The park's most famous chamber, the Big Room, is one of the largest underground chambers in North America, featuring an array of impressive stalactites, stalagmites, and otherworldly formations. Visitors can explore this subterranean wonderland through self-guided tours or ranger-led expeditions, marveling at the grandeur and intricate beauty of the cave's natural sculptures. Above ground, the park offers rugged desert landscapes and a diverse ecosystem, while the nightly bat flight from the cave's entrance provides an awe-inspiring spectacle. Carlsbad Caverns, with its immense size and stunning geological features, stands as a testament to the wonders hidden beneath the Earth's surface. Number 2. Jidda Grotto. Lebanon. Nestled in the Nahr al-Kalb Valley north of Beirut, Jidda Grotto is one of Lebanon's most treasured natural wonders. This extensive cave system is divided into two main levels: the Upper Grotto, which features a series of impressive chambers adorned with stunning stalactites and stalagmites, and the Lower Grotto, through which an underground river flows. Visitors can explore the Upper Grotto on foot, marveling at the dramatic rock formations, while the Lower Grotto is navigated by boat, offering a serene and mystical experience as you glide through crystal-clear waters. The ethereal beauty of Jidda Grotto, highlighted by subtle lighting, creates an unforgettable journey into the heart of the earth, making it a must-see destination for both nature lovers and adventurers. Number 1. Sun Dong Cave. Vietnam. Hidden within the lush jungles of Phong Nha Bang National Park in Vietnam, Sun Dong Cave is the largest cave in the world, offering an awe-inspiring subterranean adventure. Discovered in 1991 and opened to the public only in recent years, this colossal cave stretches over 5 kilometers and boasts its own river, jungle, and unique climate. Inside, visitors can marvel at massive stalagmites, some reaching up to 80 meters high, and explore vast chambers large enough to house entire city blocks. The cave's grandeur is further accentuated by the natural light streaming in through sinkholes, illuminating the lush vegetation that thrives within. Accessing Sun Dong Cave requires a guided expedition, adding to its allure as one of the world's last great frontiers. For those lucky enough to embark on this journey, Sun Dong offers a once-in-a-lifetime experience of exploring Earth's hidden and pristine beauty. From glowing ceilings to colossal chambers, these caves remind us of the hidden wonders beneath our feet. If you enjoyed this journey, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more adventures, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Share in the comments which cave you'd love to explore next. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.